Hi all of my viewers, thank you for coming in my channel again. We will show how to install the Python in the Windows environment. I am using Windows 2010. Before starting this session, I will request all my viewers and readers to subscribe in my channel that I can upload more and more videos for you. Thank you. So now start the session. I have the page where I can find the link that I can download exe file in system. To go to this page, I need to search the page first. It's very simple. I need to search for Python install in Google. It will give several links, and I'm clicking on the first link. It will redirect to this page. So I'll click on the download Python 3.7.3. It will give me the run or save option. I will go for the save option but in my case it is already installed in my system, so I'll go to the download folder. I'll double click on the link. Here two options are available. One is for recommended option and another is customization installation. So for the first time installation through the recommended is better, so I am selecting for install now. Before installing, I will select the add Python 3.7 to path, because it will create a default path for the Python exe file, and I will click for the installation. Setup was successful, so I can close this window. I am closing it. Now what I will do, I will check the Python is installed properly in my system or not. I will go for the Windows search. It is very simple step. There is several steps are available, but this is the very simple step, so I am showing you. What you will do, you will go for the Windows search and type for the Python. If it is installed in your system, then it will show the exe file in the search list, and it is showing for my case. I will right click on the then I will go for open file location. It will show me the all shortcuts. I will right click on the Python shortcut file and go for again open file location, and it will show me the exact file location where the Python is installed. Okay, now I will check the version of the Python installed in my system. So what I will do, I will go to the command prompt, Windows run, and then cmd. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy the path and will first cd slash, the post process, cd and then ep. Okay, now what I will do, I will type for the Python, sorry, alt enter, sorry. Now Python version. Okay, it is showing me Python 3.7.3. so Python is installed properly in my system and the version number is 3.7.3. so this is all. This is the thing, this is the way that you can install the Python in your system. Thank you friend. I will request again to subscribe my channel that I can upload more and more videos.